Hello everybody, this is Dan. In this video we're going to be looking at the left flank and the right flank. Also posted on the schedule is horn flash, but obviously we have drums and not horns, so don't worry about that. Just for the purposes of these examples of the flanks, I'm not going to be going all the way to that yard line because I have limited space here. I imagine you do as well. But I'm going to be flanking right here on this dot, which is 4 steps from the yard line. Just so you can see what these look like, and unless specified otherwise, which is pretty rare, you will be going from yard line to yard line in doing these flanks, but this is just for example. As far as flanks are concerned, they should be relatively simple to grasp. It's just you're going to be on the balls of your right foot. Don't ever go on your heel, or you're gonna like blow out your knee or something like that. And also, you need that pivoting point to obviously turn your body that 90 degrees, right? So what I like to think of when I'm going into these turns is kind of just like taking somebody at your side here and like kneeing them or something. I don't know if that's like Krav Maga or something, but just some kind of like martial arts knee. And then obviously without the arm motion, because you know you got to be here at tacit or have your arms out while you're playing like that. But I mean, when you're coming up to the line, that's what you need to be thinking of, because when you execute that turn, you still need to look very stately, is how I would describe it, and have that leg lift still shine as you're going through the turn. And that'll be coming from behind, obviously, so it's like a knee. There you go. Just like with any turn or any flank, pretty much everything that we do in this band, it needs to be snappy, and everything that is attributed to a count needs to be done all in that count. So on count 8, you need to already have your body square with whichever direction that you're going, whether that be 90 degrees to the right or 90 degrees to the left. You need that all to happen on count 8. By the start of count 1, you shouldn't be here, you shouldn't be here. You know, if you're going left like that, it needs to all happen on 8. Another important note for bass drums, or really any drum in the drum line, is that it's going to be really tempting, especially when we're playing, to like use your arm to push the drum as you go into a flank. But do not do that. You're not going to train your core muscles enough to do this for when we don't have that option, all right? Because when we're in halftime and we're doing some 6 splits, we're not going to be able to use our wrist to push the drum as we flank. So please rely on your muscles now so you don't have to adapt later. Our moving flanks are just like any other stationary turn that we have in the band. We need them to look crisp and nice. So please place a video in the Google Classroom and I'll make sure that you're turning right. Thanks, and go Bucks.